This is Steve Angle at Bill Estes Ford. This is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. This is the Avalanche Gray. This is an XLT. Oh, did I see? Sensors on the front, really cool. Nice black running board, black handles, black rims, or black wheels, sorry. Cloth interior. Of course, the gear shift does fold down. And you have a little desk area, heated seats, nice big 14-inch touch screen. Lots of information you can get there. Owner's manual, driving modes. There's your storage when you have the seat up. Of course, seating for 3 in the back very comfortably. There's your Lightning branding. Sensors on the back, just like the fronts. Tow hitch, 4 and 7 pin. Again, this is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. I am Steve Angle at Bill Estes Ford, 317-852-2231.